Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to make speak keyboard input aloud function to signal our capital letter by changing a pitch of the voice in Samsung Galaxy S24 Plus phone. So where to look for this option? First we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to go to general management options menu. Next we need to open Samsung keyboard settings. And here we're looking for a swipe touch and feedback option. And here, as you can see, we have speed keyboard input aloud function, and here we have capital letters options. So change pitch. Of course, we have a few more options available, but we are interested in this option here. And that's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.